美国总统川普和欧盟执委会的这个主席冯德莱恩27宣布达成贸易协议，欧盟商品去到美国的关税对本地30%降到15%，不过更替阿鲁米的关税依然是50%。另外，美国的商品若准去到欧盟是免扣关税，欧盟是搁再答应讲会投资美国扩大采购能源和军事设备。那美国和中国的经贸会谈呢，是伫咧2倍水电举行。
We have good news. We've reached a deal. All of the countries will be opened up to trade with the United States at zero tariff.
经过几个月艰难的协商，欧盟甲美国总算达成贸易协议。在美国强大的压力之下，欧盟无法度守住进程，坚持互相零关税，也是中和版的10%关税，并将接受欧盟商品进口美国15%的基础税率。 也会向美国扩大卖价值7500亿美金的能源，数千亿军备，也对美国另外搁投资6000亿美金，避免爆发一场全面的贸易战。
It's a huge deal. It will bring stability. It will bring predictability. That's very important for our businesses on both sides of the Atlantic.
也毋过，美国对欧盟的钢铁甲铝制品有原维持50%的高关税，其他包括飞行机零件、特殊化学药品、半导体、自然资源甲关键原材料是适用零关税。各国领袖分别推文祝贺美欧达成贸易协议，也毋过也爱欧盟各成员国批准通过生效。再来几礼拜，双方会针对关键商品清单、汽车、药品、葡萄酒等具体细节来谈判，经济有难度相当程度的冲击。
Considero positivo, come sapete, che ci sia un accordo, ma se non vado nei dettagli non sono in grado di giudicare.
When you look where we stood at the start of the year, namely with hardly any tariffs, the European Union will clearly lose from this deal. The European Union will see the negative economic impact, even though at 15% tariff rates, this will not be the end for the European economy. That we will now only get 15% on European automotives means that for the German economy, also the economic damage, the economic harm will be manageable. It will be felt, but it will be manageable.
另外一个国际注意的关税焦点，中美新一轮的经贸会谈，礼拜起在瑞典斯德哥尔摩举行。今年5月，双方同意的关税休战期限会在8月12日到期。香港南华早报报道，双方有希望将停战期限搁延长3个月，继续协商。公司新闻是会中编译。